সুইং সেকশনে ম্যানেজমেন্টের কী রিকোয়ারমেন্ট থাকবে বা ম্যানেজমেন্ট সিস্টেম অডিট কীভাবে করবে। জব ডিসক্রিপশন মাস্ট নো অল পিপল। সুইং বলেন, কাটিং বলেন, ফিনিশিং বলেন, এভরি সেকশনের লোকদের তাদের জব রেসপন্সিবল, তাদের রিপোর্টিং বসকে এগুলো তাদের জানতে হবে। Management must be able to demonstrate complement level, time study control. Every production operation should be clear, operation sequence, element, and operation standard minute value. Operator should be performance rated. Management should be able to demonstrate that all swing operators have been trained according to operation, able to effectively complete their tasks and consistency in the most of efficient way. Management should be able to demonstrate the investment and continuous efficiency improvement through time study, revelation, new automated machinery, and attachment and folder development. An organization structure chart for a swing section must be placed showing management authority. A system placed to ensure that relevant senior manager is noticed any safety, legality, and quality issue that are identified with product. Senior management team must ensure where need corrective action is identified and that corrective action is effectively implemented. Management must demonstrate a process easily identify critical and high risk operation or operator within a production line, traffic light system. Management must demonstrate a process easily. Management must demonstrate a process analysis, inspections, and show continuous improvement of quality, ensuring only good quality and to enable effective product are safe, legal, fit for purpose are being consistently produced. To enable effective capacity planning, the factory must perform product efficiently and analysis. A time study data basis should be used, estimated product work, content, and costing for factory capacity planning, piece of payment, and factory performance tracking. Record are kept and analyzed, identify corrective action by management. Is there policy about drinking water management? Both is placed and enforced properly. Factory management given authorization to the employee to identify non-conforming materials. Does the PPMP production meeting on the approved format by management? Does PTP use to do the management approved format? এগুলো ছিল মূলত যে যখন একটা ম্যানেজমেন্টকে সুইংয়ের ম্যানেজমেন্টদেরকে অডিট করা হবে বা ম্যানেজমেন্ট অ্যাক্টিভিটিসগুলো যখন অডিট করা হবে তখন এই পয়েন্টগুলো ফলো আপ করতে হয়।